Hi friends, in this problem, m arithmetic means and 3 geometric means are inserted between 3 and 243, such that fourth arithmetic mean is equal to second geometric mean. Then what is this m? Right, very simple problem. First let us write these numbers and try to fit geometric means and arithmetic means. Let's say 3 and 243, m arithmetic means. Right, let's say they are a1, a2, a3 up to am. Right. These are all arithmetic means. That means 3 plus d is a1, 3 plus 2d is a2, 3 plus 3d is a3. Likewise, 3 plus md is am, and 3 plus m plus 1d is should be 343. Right. These are m arithmetic means. Similarly, 3 geometric means. Right. 3 geometric means just by looking at these two numbers, 3 and 243, we should be able to say that all the geometric means are 9, 27, 81. Right. But otherwise also, we should be able to calculate this way. If G1, G2, G3 are geometric means, then G1 will be 3R. Let's say R is a common ratio. Then G2 will be 3R square. G3 will be 3R cube. And 243 will be 3R power 4. That means R power 4 equals 81. R equals 3. Right. So then also we can calculate 3 G1 is 3R which is 9, 3R square which is 27, and G3 is 3R cube which is 81. Right. Now 3 plus MD is AM and 3 plus M plus 1D is 243 because these are M arithmetic means. Now 3, if we simplify this, 3 plus M plus 1D is 243. That means M plus 1D is equals 240. 243 minus 3. Right, that means D equals 240 by M plus 1. Now, as per the given condition, fourth arithmetic mean, A4. A4 is 3 plus 4D. That is 3 plus 4 into 240 by M plus 1. Right, 3 plus 4 into 240 by M plus 1 is equal to second GM. What is the second GM? It is 27. First is 9, second is 27. So that means 3 plus 4 into 240 by m plus 1 equals 27. That means 4 into 240 by m plus 1 equals 27 minus 3, which is 24. This 24 will go 10 times here. So 4 into 10, 40 equals m plus 1. That means m equals 39. It's a simple problem. M is actually 39. The solution is very simple. Right. In this problem, we just need to be able to write this relation and calculate m. Right, guys. Thank you.